What's that bird?
We call jalak bali. Endangered right now.
Oh, it's in danger.
Yes, like the government they protected that bird.
Oh
We have to
yeah.
do certification first. The jalak bali, Bali style.
Jalak Bali.
There's native in Bali, only in Bali.
Only Bali. What's the name?
Jalak.
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 Yes.
It's a bird.
Bird. Jalak bali. No, wait.
Jalak, come here.
Land population. That's kind of like parrot. Like parrot.
So
Yeah, here the swing. So I'm gonna explain about the
Swing.
swing here. If you interested in swing, swing's that one, yeah.
yeah.
That one is not for the swing. That's only for the photo area, yeah. If you interested to do the swing here, we charge per person. The swing, the price is 200,000 rupiah. But for women here, if you wanna put like long dress, we have like long dress for rent, yeah. Will be like 375. Yeah. But included. Sorry, I just like to do that here. But for the price because you have to pay the tax here. For me, I just like this is the photo area. If you do the swing, it's included. But if you not do the swing, if you take the photo area, let's say you can.
Like, anay na. Diyan ka na lang? Sige. Kita naman ikaw dito.
Bakit ba?
Circle yan? Yes, circle. Lexi, say hi ka sa drone, ha? Nandun dito sa Lexi, one more. Lexi, come here, Lexi. Lexi.
Bakit?
Okay. Dalawa.
If you wanna try, when the price is 50. It's up to you though. If you wanna try or not, I'll prepare the copy. So no la copy, yeah?
Do you sell the dua? I mean, powder. How much is
Powder.
But if they will
Swearing.
buy
Suhat.
the dua coffee, is the dua coffee free here? So that we can taste it? How much is the ano? How much is the
Lexi baby, hi. Hello.
Hi.
How's the ice cream?
Because
Good?
we have like different.
Like it?
That's why I said,
What's that flavor?
we have to try.
Rainbow. This is the vanilla coffee. Ano to ate? This is the coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee. Makita yung pangalan.
Ito. It's okay.
Coffee lover. Hmm.
vanilla. Ah, yan pala may flavor. Yan lang yung bali ko. Cheers. Tayo lang kasi bawal sila.
Cheers! This is the best coffee in the world, as they say. Only from Bali.
Okay, tignan natin ang walang.
Kaya kang ipaglawan? Mas matapang.
Bigyan natin ng
Let's put some gula frutilla because it's so strong. You know, stronger than the Barako coffee.
Let's see, did you try the coffee? No?
You want to try it, baby? You want to try this one?
Ate, ito din, ano, creamer.
Try it with a cigar. And here now, pinicturean mo yung
Itself. Sweet yan.
cafe niya.
Ano, hindi mo.
Pwede ka ng model ng coffee na eh. Pwede, pwede.
How about this one?
Morning ma'am. Ano ba gusto nyo ano? Luwak
They
coffee?
say that I can buy the Luwak coffee from here.
Yeah. Just pick one and then bring it to the counter, please.
So it's free? Or
No.
should I pay this one?
You need to pay that one.
Okay.
Go to the cashier. You know
I
where's the
thought
cashier?
Yeah, I know. I thought it's free. That's why I come in.
No, sorry ma'am. No, we're not free.
Oh,
All in here, you need to
fortunately,
pay
I
it.
don't have any money.
No, ma'am. No, no. No, ma'am. You need to pay it. In the world, there's no free in here.
This is the Luwak coffee?
Yes.
Okay.
Yan, yan, yan. Sige, sige. Morning, ma'am. You gonna buy this one, ma'am? Are you gonna buy this one? You need to pay that one, alright? You don't have free in here? Ito lang yan, oh. Rolling, oh, rolling. Kabit niyo yan sa inyong mga baraso at nang tayo makapasok ng matiwasay.
Saan kay ate?
Wala si ate mo.
Nakabit mo na yun sa kanya. Baka nga libre si Lexi.
Gusto mo ba?
No.
Ayaw. Rolling. Hello, welcome. to- Rolling.
We're having our lunch. What's up mga kaulo? We're having a lunch. Hi kaulo.
Hindi na po, magla-lunch kami dito sa jungle. Look at this. Look at the water. Look at the smoke. Free smoke here. Free smoke. Good day, mate.
How are you?
Good. Galing nga, free smoke pala rin eh. Smoke free. This is so nice. It's a nice place. Yung tubig na usok. Rolling, rolling. Yan. Okay. Isa pa.
Oh, tama may dadal. Go ahead.
Yeah, you can pass. Yan po mga kaulot. Finish na kumain. Sarap ng kain namin dito sa... ano bang lugar to? Anong kainan to? Kalimutan ko na naman pangalan. Mamaya na lang. Update ko kayo. Kita niyo yung ano dito, tubig na usok. Oh. May pausok sila. Rolling, rolling. Kaway, kaway, dini, kaway, kaway.
Ate, ate.
Lexi, kaway dito, Lexi. Yo, what's up mga kaulod? Nandito na po tayo sa Third Time Temple.
Alright, okay.
So we'll meet you there at the exit? Yeah.
Ito. Tayo, ihilang kami.
Ako din, iihilin ako. Ate, sama ka. Yo, what's up? Nandito na kami sa Temple of, ano to ate? Holy Water. Nakasuot na naman kami ng serum. Look at that serum. Serum.
Ewan din.
Ang lalaki ng suha, oh.
Bakit sabi kayo na mama?
Picture mo, te. Sukat na suha. Hindi naman suha to, ate. Suha, oh. Parang buko raw. Ang lalaki. Lukban. Ay. Napunta na kami sa Holy Water. Naliligo na ata kami ng Holy Water. Here's the temple. So nice. Temple. Here's the temple.
Silipin natin.
Ito na po yung papasok ng Holy Water.
Ayan to, ganyan siya. Uy, punta ka doon para
Wait lang. Here's the temple. Pwede kang maligo sa Holy Water. Ano po sila? Nakapila. Maliligo po yung mga yan sa Holy Water. Doon po sila tutungo. Ako po hindi na makakapaligo kasi wala akong dalang pamalit. Ang sarap sana maligo dyan, no? Holy water po yan dito sa temple. See? Sila mag-ano, maliligo. Ayan, temple of the water. Dami. Dami sila oh. Dito pa, meron din sa kabila. Okay. Dito pa sila. Temple, Holy Water. Tirtha Perisuhan. Dito na po yung mga bilihan, mura. Ang mamura ng bilihin din eh.
Kada babasok kami, ibinigay na ng 100 lang. Kaya nasa 400. 10 piso na lang.
Ang mura ng bilihin dito. Basta
100 pesos.
100 pesos.
Oh, 3 for 100. Oh.
Yan na, tapos na. Ito na yung labasan, exit. Ah. Dito ba ang sulok kong takda sa ilalim ng dagat? O dito ba? O dito ba ang sulok kong takda ng araw?
Pak, Rp1.000, Pak, Rp1.000.
Thank you.
Pak, Rp1.000. Pak.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go to the beach.